Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Schedule 1 on PC. For that, first of all, you need to download and install Steam Launcher in your PC. You can even open it in your web browser. You need to simply search for steampower.com and then log in into your account. So since I'm going to be performing the steps in my Steam Launcher, so you can also do the same. Once you are on Steam, simply use this search bar in the top right hand corner of the screen and search for Schedule 1 and press enter. Now, once you are able to find Schedule 1 game, you need to simply click on it and then you will be shown its trailer that will look something like this. Here, if you just scroll down a bit, you will see this download option over here. So it's a free sample, but if you want to buy it completely, you will have to pay the money. So if you want to download the free sample, simply click on the download button, select the disk in which you want to download it. Make sure that you have some free space in it. Then click on this install button and you need to download and install it in your device. Afterward, you will be able to play it very easily with the help of the Steam powered launcher. Now again, as I said earlier, if you want to get the full version of it, you will have to purchase it. And in order to purchase it, simply click on the add to cart option. Then click on the option of view my cart. Over here, you need to just add or remove any of the games that you like. I already have two games which I don't want to make payment for. So I have removed those and I want to keep Schedule 1 only. Now click on continue to payment option, select your payment method, provide your personal details and press continue in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to review your details and make the payment with the help of the payment method that you have selected. So this way you will be shown the download button over here instead of the payment option, and then you can download its full version as well. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.